Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Nursing Classes. In this sketch video, we want to talk about CPR, which stands for Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation. We use CPR when someone has collapsed and not breathing because I can keep people alive until emergency services arrived. Learning this simple life-saving skills is easy as CAB. All you have remembers doctor's cab. D for danger. First look around carefully to make sure the area is safe for yourself and others before approaching. R is for response. Shake them gently by the shoulder and ask them loudly, "Are you alright?" If there is no response, you need to S. Shout for help, as any assistance will be helpful. C is for circulation. Circulation means the flow of blood around the body, and when the heart stops pumping, we need to take over the flow by pushing them hard and fast on the chest. A is for airway. Gently tilt the head by like this to open the airway. B is for breathing. Look, listen and feel for sense of normal breathing. Look for normal chest movements, listen for normal breathing sense and try to feel their breath against your face. Do this for no more than 10 seconds. If there is no sign of breathing or if their breathing is unusual noisy way, we need to start CPR. First make sure the ambulance is on the way. Now the procedure. Start by placing the heel of one hand at the center of the person's chest and interlock your fingers like this with arm straighten. Press then hard and fast, letting the chest come back up fully each time. Fast means the around 2 times every second and hard means the chest needs to go down by 5 centimeters. You don't need to push hard for it to be effective. If you've been trained, you can give 2 rescue breaths after every 30 compressions. Is this help provide oxygen? However, you not been trained or not comfortable, just keep going with hands only, continue chest compressions. If someone else is with you, swap over. If you can become to feel tired or don't stop until either health professional take over or the persons definitely breathe normally. Sometimes we can add another step. D is for defibrillation, which is about delivering a shock to restart the heartbeat. Some public area and workplaces have an easy to use defibrillator on site called automatic external defibrillator or AED. Automatic means it is the machine that decide what to do, so you can't go wrong and even taught through the steps. If there is no AED available, keep going with CPR and till the ambulance arrive. So to recap, doctor's cab, D for danger, R for response, S for shout for help, C for circulation, A for airway, B for breathing, D for defibrillation. That's it. You can take training for these steps. If you like this video, then share with your family and friends to make sure we all know what to do.